of the sulfur dioxide, we are going to talk about the uses of sulfur dioxide. Now, sulfur dioxide is used in the refining of petrol because it is the best reducing agent, and hence it is used in the petroleum and sugar industries to take out them as a pure matter. So, interesting part of the sulfur dioxide. Okay, then in the bleaching wool and silk, useful to bleach out wool and very useful. So that will be other part of the sulfur, okay, in which that you can use it. Okay, then also as an anti-chlor, disinfectant and preservative. Dear students, when fluor is obtained, it has some dull color, so its white color is obtained by the using sulfur dioxide passing through it. It is also used into the packing because it is also working as a disinfectant, so that's why it is very important. Okay, and as a preservative it can be used because it makes some layer onto the food that cannot be decomposed afterward by bacteria. Sulfuric acid, sodium hydrogen sulfide and calcium hydrogen sulfates are manufactured by using sulfur dioxide. So this is the another part where sulfur dioxide can be used high tone. Okay, so that will be another important topic. Okay, now liquid sulfur dioxide is used as a solvent to dissolve of organic or inorganic chemicals. So this is also very important talk of the sulfur, okay, how it can be used in this. So that is our priority of the sulfur dioxide. Now here the topic of sulfur dioxide is completed, and the reaction of sulfur dioxide we are going to study on the board because these reactions I am not able to explain you in this. This is the information that I can give you very on the base of this. Okay, so next time we are going to talk about the in the on the board the reaction of the sulfur, though some easy reactions of the sulfur dioxides I'm explaining here, but that is the as a reducing agent we are going to see the on the board. The molecular of sulfur dioxide is angular. It is hybrid of the two canokyl forms. So this is the form of the sulfur dioxide. You can check out that, okay, this is sulfur dioxide, okay, which is resonance out by one layer. Okay, so that will be our idea. Okay, where is the resonance? So double bond is left side and double bond is the structure of the sulfur dioxide. Sulfur dioxide when pollution of sulfurous acid. This is also talk interesting talk. Sulfur dioxide is react with SO2 plus H2O, that's give H2SO3, and this one that you can manage here, okay, by sulfur dioxide sulfurous acid SO2 plus H2O, that's give H2SO3 with the sodium hydrogen hydroxide solution and reactor. That's why it is going to react with the base, okay, forming which then reacts with the more sulfur dioxide to form, and the sodium hydrogen sulfide is an important, and that's why this process is very important. Sodium hydroxide that is react with the sulfur dioxide SO2 to give water. This sodium sulfide is more reacted with the SO2 to give NHSO3, sodium hydrogen sulfide. Will be the important idea about the sulfide with reacts with the chlorine in the presence of the, here in presence of charcoal dioxide is reacting with the chlorine and a new product is of SO2Cl to be combined થઈ જાય, બે molecule join થઈ જાય, and that is the sulfuryl chloride. Now about another one product લખું છું, જરાક ધ્યાન આપજો. SOCl2, this is also one product. If you know the name of this product is the different one, so that's why that you have to know as thionyl, and this is known as sulfuryl chloride. So these both you have remember, this is known as thionyl chloride and NYLE. Okay, so it is oxidized to sulfur the reactions of oxide in presence of platinum vanadium pentoxide. So vanadium pentoxide is the catalyst convert sulfur dioxide to SO3. Now this reaction is very important. Why this reaction is very important? Because see this reaction તમે જરાક જોઈ લો, જો હશે Okay, here sulfur dioxide is converting into the sulfurous acid because અહીંયા એક ઓક્સિજન 3 એક ઓક્સિજન વધારે છે. Now this reaction, if you will combine SO3 H2O, so which kind of product will be there? Then product will be very simple H2. So hope that you understand. એક ઓક્સિજન વધી જતા આપણને સલ્ફ્યુરિક એસિડ મળે છે. That's why the conversion of sulfur dioxide into sulfur trioxide is more important than any other reaction. So hope that you understand these reactions of the sulfur dioxide, and with this reaction maybe our topic of sulfur dioxide is going to end here. Then after we are going to talk about the another topic, and that is the thing but the and sulfuric acid in the preparation. This is the world famous process, and contact process is there, and this process is the important one for your examination purpose of, and its preparation with the contact process. Okay, so I should give here heading that this is nothing but the contact process. So I am giving here heading contact process to produce H2SO4. Okay, actually sulfuric acid is made in 3 steps in the contact process. First, burning of sulfur or sulfide ores to get sulfur, produce sulfur dioxide. Second process, after getting sulfur dioxide, we have to convert sulfur dioxide into sulfur trioxide. That is where we have studied vanadium pentoxide is used, and sulfur dioxide is converted into sulfur trioxide. In another thing, third step, that we are going to convert sulfur trioxide acid. This can be done by two process. Direct sulfur trioxide is added into water to get sulfuric acid, or SO3 is observed, that is H2SO7, and then diluting H2O7 with water we can get sulfuric acid. So that is the drama here. These 3 steps will be involved into the preparation of sulfuric acid. So here this flow chart I am showing you in the here first chamber is there. In first chamber we are or the sulfite ores to give air is passed, and due to that hot air ore is heated out and sulfur dioxide from this process. And here what either other impurities are there, that will be removed after the pure sulfur dioxide is okay. Now here the sulfur dioxide, whatever the has some other impurity and dust particle in this chamber, and then this will give us the pure sulfur dioxide here. Dioxide is coming with here, at that time it is sprayed, that's why it will have some impurity of water, and that's why we are going to take out the water by spraying the, and sulfuric acid is very hygroscopic. You know that it is very love to absorb the water, and it will absorb out. And fine here dry and pure sulfuric acid will sulfur dioxide will go. Here the arsenic purifier containing gelations and hydride peroxide is taken and preheater એને પછી હીટ કરવામાં આવે છે. આ બધું થઈ જાય, ફાઇનલી we will have the sulfur dioxide. જોડીએ સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ, આ બધા મેજોરિટી સ્ટેપ જે છે એ મેજોરિટી સ્ટેપ બધા જ સલ્ફર ઓક્સાઇડને જ કન્વર્ટ કરવાના છે. અને અહીંયાથી ફાઇનલ વેનેડિયમ પેન્ટોક્સાઇડ, આમાં ઉપર વેનેડિયમ પેન્ટોક્સાઇડનું એ મૂકેલું છે, જો અહીંયા લખ્યું જ છે આ પેન્ટોક્સાઇડ મૂક્યું છે, એમાંથી પછી શું નીકળશે? સલ્ફર ટ્રાયોક્સાઇડ બનશે, અને અહીંયાથી સલ્ફર ટ્રાયોક્સાઇડ નીકળે છે. આ સલ્ફર ટ્રાયોક્સાઇડ will be absorbed into the chamber which is having sulfuric acid concentrated, having quartz as a support. Then finally we will have the oleum, and like this then oleum is prepared. Now this oleum is then come to the sulfuric acid. So here we have some idea about the prepared sulfuric acid. You have to go with this flow chart in your mind. આ ફ્લો ચાર્ટ કેવી રીતે બનાવવાનો છે